This is another elevator at Hilltop Executive Center. I assume this one is Liftomatic as well. To G. And you know what, just for shits and giggles, hit. Oh, this one's got a different PI. Whoa, harsh stop. There's your, oh, rear door opens there. Guess that's a restaurant. I'll head up to, you know what, before we go in here, let's go through the COP. Big white phone. Oh, I guess we're going somewhere. Well, we are taking a full ride up to 3. Going down?
Sorry, yeah.
1?
Actually to G.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, Tacos El Norte.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm not getting you in the video, don't worry.
What are you up to?
Hmm?
What are you up to?
Oh, I'm just filming the elevator.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's a hobby. I'm interested in elevators.
Oh, okay.
It's weird, I know. But
Hey, whatever floats your boat.
yeah. You have a good one.
Alright, you too.
We'll watch the PI one more time. Epic motor, by the way. Sorry.
It's okay.
Turn the down button. It's cool.